Hello students of class 6. I am SM Arikul Alam, assistant teacher of Perfect English Version Secondary School. I hope you all are well. Today is 9th August 2021. I am taking your online class. Okay, our today's topic article. Okay, students, let's know about the definition of article. Notice on the whiteboard some specific letter or letters I, A, N, and the sitting before noun or noun equivalent word indicate that noun or noun equivalent word indefinitely or definitely, then they are called the article. You must know that here article is mainly a, an, and the. Okay, our next term, types. There are two types of articles in English grammar. They are indefinite article and two definite article. Okay, we need two definitions about indefinite article. Indefinite article, the article I, a, and an indicate the noun or noun equivalent word indefinitely. So they are called indefinite article. Here notice that indefinite article indicate improperly, not properly. Okay, let's know about definite article. Definite article, the article I, TAC indicates the noun or noun equivalent word definitely. So it is called definite article. And you can know about that definite article indicate anything definitely or properly. Okay? The rules of indefinite articles I, a, and an. Rule 1. If any singular common noun is started with vowel I, A, E, I, O, or U, where the word doesn't refer universally and by repeating, then an is placed before that word. According to this rule, the word must be singular common noun, that it can be marked indefinitely. It can't refer any person or anything or animal or any place definitely, but indefinitely, improperly. And this word can be cited universally. Universally means the person or thing or animal or anything that can be found in the whole world, and it can be repeated. This word must be cited for the first time, and if it is repeated, then an won't be here. Example: an apple, an egg, an igloo, an orange, an umbrella. But when O is pronounced as wa, wa. U is pronounced as you, and EWE is pronounced as you, and EWE is pronounced as EU, and EWE is pronounced as EU, being the first letter. Such a word, then a is placed before the word instead of an. Here notice O is pronounced as wa, not as O or O. U is pronounced as you, not U or A. And EWE is pronounced as you. Example, a one taka note. O is pronounced as wa. A uniform is pronounced here as you. A union, a university, a unit. Rule 2. If any singular common noun is started with consonant I, B, C, D, F, etc., you must know there are 21 consonants in English alphabet, where the word doesn't refer universally and by repeating, like as the first rule. Then A is placed before that word. Example, a bus, a car, a dog, a jug, a man, a X-ray, a zebra, etc. But when the pronunciation of A's remains silent, having EIR, ONE, ONO, and OUR after the letter. Here notice, in the word there will be EIR, ONE, ONO, and OUR after A's. Then an is placed before A's-based word instead of a. Example, an ear, ACIR. Here is silent, ACIR. As here is EIR after A's. Such as an honest man, having ONE after A's. So A's is silent here. An honorable person. Here notice ONO is after A's. So A's will be silent here. And hour. Also notice here ASOUR. Here OUR after A's. So A's will be silent here. Okay. Okay, students. I'll evaluate you the next time about article. I'll give you some task in the next class. You must prepare at your home properly. Okay? I'm finishing here for today. I hope you're healthy and happy life. Allah Hafiz.